This is a spreader boot. It clamps around, zip tie at the ends, and then tape it all up. The ends of the spreaders on the mast. And that's the starboard side, but on the port side, we lost one. Yeah, that's it. And what's happened is,
why would they have two fills?
We've got a little wear spot, small tear in the sail where it hits that in our Genoa. So, we're going to go up front, take the Genoa down, bring it to shore, and do a sail repair. Gordon, what are we doing?
Taking the sail to get sewed.
Yep, take advantage of while we're on a dock. We got the sail down, got the sewing machine and extension cord, and we're going up to the marina to use a table to sew it. It's one of the spots we're going to be restitching. See where the threads have worn off, hitting that raw spreader booth maybe, or just sails. The threads failed on their own, but we'll go over it real good and stitch up anything that's loose. Got some pitting on my thread hook from the salt water, and that's snagging the thread and causing it to break. So I'm gonna polish that up with some fine sandpaper and go back to sewing. It's nice not have to dinghy this sail in and find a place to sew when you got a table right here on the dock. So important, especially with an older sail, to maintain it. That one little tear could cause a blowout in a gust of wind. Another place to patch. Repairs are complete. Excuse me. So we just got to hoist her up, and we're done. Saved a bunch of money and potentially blowing the sail out.